do it.
Okay, Carter. So we are going to be working on our math today. Okay?
Yes.
And what have we been working on in math? What have we been working on?
Math.
Yeah, menu stuff?
Yes.
Finding things on menus?
Yep.
Okay, so we're going to choose.
Menu. Okay.
Yeah, that's me, isn't it?
Me.
So for our first star, we're going to work through. This is a new one. We haven't done this one before.
Mhm.
Okay, so we're going to teach you how to do it.
Yeah.
So Mr. K is going to do it first. All right, and
Yes.
then for our second star,
Yep.
Carter's going to do it.
That's me.
Mm-hmm. So I'm going to write that here, that you're going to do that one.
Yes.
And then we're going to choose a different menu. Where should we go? Should we go to McDonald's today?
Yay.
Yeah? Should we choose the McDonald's menu?
Yeah, we just fuck up.
So we'll set that one right there. And then we will do that menu, okay?
And then
McDonald's menu. Got it?
yep.
Okay. So those are the three things that we're going to do. Ready? So we'll set that right over here
I am.
so we can remember what we're going to be working on. All right. Okay. Can you help me?
Yes.
All right, what does this say at the top? What does it say?
Choose.
Solving.
Seven. Hutton.
Yes. Addition.
Sorry.
Story.
Sorry.
Problems.
Oh.
Yep. So we're going to solve.
Wait. Oh. Put it in there.
Yeah, like we were doing earlier, right?
Yeah.
Good. So it says use
Move.
menu.
Move. Sorry.
So this is the menu we're going to use. What do we have here? The hamburger
Hot.
hut. The hamburger
Hot.
hamburger hut. All right. So we need to use the menu to solve the story problems.
Mm-hmm.
Okay?
Yeah.
All right. Can you help me read this?
So, what
What would
would be the hot
the cost
Texas one steak dinner?
What would be the cost of one steak dinner?
A cup coffee and a piece of hot chocolate and a shot.
Cake.
Ooh.
Do you like chocolate cake?
Mom, not me.
I like chocolate cake.
I do.
All right. So it says what would be the cost of one steak dinner, one cup of coffee,
I know.
and one piece of chocolate cake. So let's find those items on the menu. All right. So steak dinner. See that word dinner? Can you find that word on the menu? Let's see, we've got omelets, salads,
Yeah.
side orders, beverages, desserts, dinners. Okay, can you find the steak dinner on there? Which one says steak dinner? Which one says steak dinner?
Meatloaf.
Where?
Meatloaf.
That's-
Yeah.
You like meatloaf?
Yes.
That doesn't say steak though, does
Okay,
it? Which
no.
one says steak? There it is. Good. Now, what is the price for the steak dinner?
925. 1825.
So we write that down where I wrote these. 825. And then we're going to add, what are we adding?
Coffee.
Coffee. So where would we get coffee? That's called a beverage, right?
No, coffee with the drink.
I like coffee, don't I?
I do.
You don't like coffee.
Yeah, at home.
Oh, whatever.
Maybe I was
Coffee. How much is coffee?
94.
Yep. So remember, we line up the decimal points. See how they're lined up? 90.
91.
90. You like 91. don't
Yeah,
you?
not too. 91.
And then a piece of chocolate cake.
Ooh.
Chocolate cake would be dessert,
Yeah,
right?
dessert.
So let's find the chocolate cake in the dessert.
I
What's that?
mostly that.
Milkshake.
Got every day.
Milkshakes are good, aren't they? All right, chocolate cake.
Yeah, got every day.
Now, how much is chocolate cake?
We are just today. 29. Yeah, 5.
Yep. So 295. All right. So that's what we do first. It says, what would the cost be of one steak dinner, a cup of coffee, and a piece of chocolate cake? Did we find all those things?
Yep.
All right, so now what do we have to do now that we have them all? What do we have to do? We have to add them together.
Oh.
So make sure that when I wrote them down here,
But this is a pimple.
yeah, you have a pimple? You're getting grown up, aren't you?
No.
Yeah, they hurt. So we line up the decimal points, don't we? So let's add them together. 5 plus 5. Now remember, this is Mr. K's turn, right? Mr. K's going to do it. So 5 plus 5 is 10. And then we add up the rest of them here. Okay, so we've got 9 plus 9 is 18. Plus 2 is 20. Plus 1 is 21. 8 plus 2 is 10. Plus 2 is 12. So how much would that total be?
Don't.
$12 and
10. Wow.
10 cents. Right. Okay, so now we did our first item, right? Mr. K walked through it with you? Okay, now whose turn is it?
Me.
Yeah. All right, so we are going to put your information here. Are you going to help me?
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Awesome.
All right, let me put this information here. All right, so we're going to put our decimal points right here. See that?
Yep, I did.
All right, now it's your turn. Here's the pencil.
Thanks, man.
How much would you have to pay for one fish dinner, one cola, and a piece of blueberry pie?
Oh, lovely.
All right, so we looked in this section of the menu for the steak dinner. Let's find the fish dinner. Where's it say fish? Okay, so what numbers are there?
10.
610, right? $6.10. All right, so what do we put here in front of the decimal point?
6.
6, good.
But there is a 6.
Yep.
6.
And then what do we put here?
1.
Good.
4.
Good. Excellent. So that was the fish dinner. And what are you going to drink? It says cola.
No, cake. Cake coffee.
Where do we find the cola? There it is. How much is cola?
1 to 5.
Right. Can you show me how you can write that on our paper here?
Right there. Yeah, 1